design. Electric.
The Genesis X concept, streamlined form, can only be described as ultimate athletic elegance. The long nose and pullback cabin reveal a classic GT proportion. The single line, which we call the parabolic line, cuts through the muscular surface like three-piece suit tailored to the world-class athlete physique. The voluptuous fenders and powerful stance embody the ultimate expression of athletic elegance. The two lines, starting from the front to rear, create a visual statement that is both unequivocal and assertive. Luxury is all about the final details in areas where nobody expects. To change the way the wing emblem is designed for the perfect execution. The two lines becomes a two-layer wheel design, enhancing both aerodynamics and weight reduction. The Genesis luxury experience extends to charging, whether wireless charging or 800-volt wired charging. The charging experience will be seamless and effortless. Reduced impact, reductive design, the beauty of white space. The beauty of white space is manifest in the Genesis design through experience. Experience the essence of luxury when you're left, infuse and inspire your own space and tranquility. It is a story of sustainability and luxury that wraps around you and awaken your senses. Indulge yourselves, and the X concept includes cockpit interior, featuring both cutting-edge sustainable technology and tactile materials. The next-gen slim vents and the freeform displays focus on the needs of the driver and driver alone. Crystal Sphere is like an intricate jewel cradled on the floating center console. When parked, it is beautifully crafted crystal. Once on the move, it rotates into a driver's electrode. The Genesis sustainability story starts from the rethinking the sourcing of our materials and extend to how they are applied. Pollution can be reduced drastically with new eco-friendly process and recycled materials. During interior trimming, up to 40% of interior materials, such as leather, are discarded. The G-Matrix with leather reclaims these unused materials combined with desirable design. Our end goal is to craft a unique luxury experience that is truly the next level. Ladies and gentlemen, the X concept is a Genesis like no others. The X concept is not just a show car, it is a statement. It sheds the light through the path forward and stake our territory. This is the Genesis vision of sustainable luxury. This is ultimate athletic elegance. Thank you so much. Thank you.